Heavy rains caused severe flooding on Rhodes Island, Greece today. The floods swept away cars, submerged homes and roads, and caused significant damage. According to the fire department, between 11 a.m. and 9:30 p.m. on Saturday, 294 emergency calls were made, involving evacuations, tree removals, and water pumping operations. Rhodes Island is being hit by intense weather conditions, including strong storms. Earlier, a warning message, number 112, was issued and state agencies were put on high alert. The bad weather caused significant disruption on roads, with heavy rainfall resulting in floods that left more than 20 cars stranded on roads that turned into rivers. At least 30 elderly people, children and women were rescued from their vehicles or homes in the last few hours by firefighters and rescuers from the Rhodes Fire Department, following emergency calls. Firefighters also helped transport a family, a mother and 2 children, from their flooded home in Ialissos to a safe location. Additionally, at least 25 other people were rescued from their vehicles and homes and relocated to safety. According to meteorologist Klearchos Marousakis, a torrent of long but narrow storms is expected, bringing heavy rainfall with large volumes of water and hail. Marousakis warned that until the early hours of Sunday, the most dangerous weather conditions will affect the area, particularly Attica. By midday Sunday, the storm will move toward the eastern and western Aegean, affecting the Sporades and the Cyclades with strong storms.